In this video, we are going to show you how to provide students with immediate and personalized feedback using Classkick. After opening your assignment, you can view all of your students' work at the same time. In this assignment, students are working on grammar and sentence corrections. By clicking into one student's slide, we can leave personalized feedback in a variety of ways. Choose the pen to write directly on your student's work, or click on the text icon to type a message that you can move around the page. Or use the star icon to leave a sticker for positive reinforcement or to address common misconceptions. From here, we can check out this student's work on other pages or move through the work of other students on the same page. On Classkick Web, select the single question view to see all the student work for a particular slide. In this view, use the sticker wand to place stickers without clicking into each individual slide. If we do want to provide more detailed feedback, we can still click into any specific slide to do so. Try out the various ways to give feedback and let us know which is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos.